Hi everyone, me again. I'm not giving up on this bloom. I will not give up. I'm gonna get this. So I've just got I've just got a little tile here that we're going to try on now. Okay, so I've got a different house paint that I'm going to try tonight, and this one in fact is so thick. I mean, I can't even describe how thick it is. It's thicker than yogurt. It's really, really thick. So I've had to water it down. Now again, I don't know if this consistency is right or not. It could be too thin now. I don't know. I really don't know. But you know what? We're just going to try. So I'm putting the base down. Okay. Into that, I'm going to start with the blue at the bottom, because I believe, yeah, this blue is an opaque color, and I'm going to put an opaque color over the pillow, because remember the base, the pillow was showing through, remember, and I couldn't figure out why. So somebody said to me, put an opaque color on top of the pillow. So that is what I'm trying now, and this is an opaque color. And somebody else said I didn't have enough color, so I'm going to put more. Okay, right, there. On top of that, I'm going to put some copper. That should be fine. On top of that, I will put a little bit of this pink. This is clearly not level. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Alright, and now for some cell activator. Okay, and I am again going to blow this with my little mini blower. Again, I do need to practice my blowing with the well, with whatever I'm blowing with. I need to practice that. I do have some pretty lacing going on. It's not moving in the middle yet, so I don't know if I'm supposed to wait. Let us spin it first this way. Go that way now. Maybe I didn't have enough pillow down here. It looks very pretty. Alright, I'm just going to do that again. But I'm just going to cover this whole thing with this pillow like this. Okay, and then I'm going to just add some more, maybe like that. Like I said, everyone, I'm still practicing. You know, if you don't practice, you'll never get it, and if you never get it, then you'll regret not trying. So let's try it this way, because this thing is long, so let's do it this way. Okay. Okay, this thing is starting to irritate me because it's not level. Okay, a little bit of pink. And some cell activator. Okay, right, let's blow that out. Now I've got a lot of paint everywhere except there, and now it's not moving back there. Oh, this technique is really not easy. Oh goodness. I don't know. I don't even know what to do. I honestly don't. Honestly don't know. Let's just spin this out and see what we get. I feel like I am so close to getting it right. You know, I mean, I'm definitely getting things that I should be getting, you know. But it's not right, you know. Maybe it's the way I'm blowing it out. I really don't know. Let me just get this out the way here and get 2 cups. I mean, that is really pretty. But it's to see now also if it'll even dry like this, because the one that I did last night that had the pillow paint coming through, I came in here this morning to check what it looks like now, sort of thing, you know, and all of my colors, all of them, had pretty much disappeared. The whole thing was just... It was totally ruined. Totally. So, I don't know. Let's see how this one, what it looks like tomorrow morning, I guess. I don't know. Because it really... It looks very pretty. It's got a lot of things that it should have. I don't know. Let's, I'm going to leave this and see how it dries, what it does. Because I know for a fact, and I spent the whole night again watching, you know, artists who do blooms and checking how their pouring medium is mixed, how their cell activator is mixed. And my paints are mixed exactly the same. The only thing that I'm not sure about is this pillow paint. It's the only thing I'm not sure about, because obviously artists in America are using paints that they can get in America. And that doesn't help me. I'm not in America. So, you know what? If anybody is watching this and you are in Ireland... If you are in Ireland and you do blooms, please, for goodness sake, please help me and just tell me what pillow paint you are using and where I can get it. Where I can get it is the most important thing, because I wouldn't even know where to look for it. But yeah, if anybody can help me with that, I would be so grateful. Any help would be really appreciated, please, anybody. But yeah, let's see how this dries. If it dries like that, I would be happy. As a fourth attempt, I think it's very pretty. It does have a lot of cells. It does have lacing. You know, it's not bad. So if it dries like that, I'd be happy. But I'll only see tomorrow, probably only in the afternoon, what it is drying like, because it's going into winter here now, so things take very long to dry now because this caravan is freezing. But okay, all right, let's see. I will keep you posted, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.